I just can't. Walking and take videos. Oh, we're at the mall, walking around. Just walking around lang muna. Magtingin-tingin lang muna. Mag-window shopping. Tingin lang kami ng mga headphone. Kasi kailangan daw niya ng headphone.
I don't want to do speaker.
Daming mga headphone. Mga DVDs din siya. Oh, mga electronics. Nothing? Laging mga TV. Mahal. 10,000.
I don't want to pay like this.
Mahal.
That's what I say. Yeah, too mahal. That's what I say.
Yeah,
Which with
JBL.
my cinema that costs like.
JBL, of course.
Yeah, but, is there any place you can try though, listening?
I don't know. You asked someone.
Yeah.
So, ganyan siya mag-shopping. Tinitignan niya lahat, pati mga mga saksakan niya. Ang mahal. Nasa 1.8, 1.2. Ayan, nakabili na siya. Pay. Yan muna natin siyang mag-pay dyan. Mag-ikot-ikot muna tayo dito. Ang gaganda, oh. Pang coffee maker. Espresso machine. Mga air fryer. Oh, $3.99 lang yung isa, oh. Itong isa mahal. Nasa 1,100. Tapos may machine. Ang mga air fryer. Ang mahal ng mga air fryer. Kailan kaya ako magkakaroon yan? Kailan kaya ako magkakaroon ng ganyan? Air fryer. Dito naman sa isa, mga pangbuhok naman. Mga pangbuhok naman. Tagal naman niya. Okay. He's done. Okay?
Yes, love. They're ready. You want something?
No.
We need something. Now, everybody they buy these. You know what that is?
Yeah, I know.
Okay, I don't know.
That's
everybody buy.
yeah, we need that too, baby. Air fryer.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, we're talking about that. But we cannot. We find it on Bornholm. We don't travel.
But how we can use that if you always travel?
Exactly. But we can buy them on Bornholm. Not here.
Yeah. Why it's cheaper there?
No.
What?
They're closer to my house.
That's the reason. Ang gagandang phone. Gusto ko yung flip na phone. Ganyan sana na phone, oh. Flip. Na flip siya. Iniwanan na ako. Okay. Let's go. So, titingin naman tayo ng damit. Wala akong makitang ano. Ang tawag nun? Pants. Parang ganda to, may butones. Ay, may butones ba to? Ang ganda to. Ay, ito. May butones. See the one that I have button there. It's like this is better. Ay. This is sweatshirt. You think this is nice?
Yeah, also this one. Try this.
This is very low.
Okay. And these pants. I don't know about the size, but I like them.
Oh, I don't like this.
But going to try? Just try. I want to try. But maybe they're too big. They're medium. You just try.
It's very long.
Yeah. Then it's not medium. Then it's small.
Yeah. It's very
But I think it's small is here also.
Then can I get this one?
Yes.
Black?
If you want black.
Black. Black.
Yes.
Where did you get this?
There oh.
Yeah.
Yes. But there is medium. And then you also have in small. You just
This one.
I don't know.
But it's too long. Is that okay?
Try it. Is it small? Try it.
No, what I mean is very long in my feet.
I don't know. What's this says?
Do you see?
What the size says? Oh, there's also extra small.
No, I think this one.
Try.
It's okay.
Okay, you
It's
try
just
then.
the length.
Try.
What can I try?
I don't know. You try.
What's this?
Maybe you try this if you want this. Oh, I don't know. Huh? You want this one?
This is small, right?
Okay, but you can try the other side if you want. Try.
What can I try?
You try. Okay, you take that. Okay. Okay.
Before winter, may nabili namang pants at isang sando habang summer pa. There's no one here.
No.
Oh, no one here.
I don't know.
Maybe we go to the other cashiers.
I hope you get us back.
Where's the cashier? Where we can pay this one?
Oh, right up there. If you just go right there, you just turn and then the cashier.
Okay,
Thank
you. Hirap namang hanapin yung kung saan magbabayad. Hirapan na pa nila yung ano.
Ja, forstår de der. Så,